I'm going to demonstrate how to do the sand sieving part of our field work today. First of all, you're going to need 3 sieves. The largest one is up the top and is our greater than 0.75 mil. The middle one is 0.5 mil to 0.75 mil, and the bottom one is 0.25 mil to 0.5 mil, and then our bucket is going to be where we measure less than 0.25 mil. Next, you collect 100 mil of sand. You need to measure that it's exactly 100 mil by using the measuring cylinder. There's my 100 mil of sand. Next, I'm going to put this in through the sieves. Give the sieves a shake. Each layer of sand is now sitting in the sieves. Collect all of the sand from each sieve and put it into a measuring cylinder. Next is my 0.5 to 0.75. Make sure it's all separated out. There's still some sand there that needs sieving. My last one to sieve through. And the final size is going to be that's left in the bucket. We're now going to put that data into our table.